Ready to unleash your inner superhero or supervillain on your console? Let's dive into how to get Marvel Rivals up and running on your PlayStation or Xbox. First things first, you need to confirm if Marvel Rivals is officially available on your specific console. Check the official Marvel Rivals website, PlayStation Store, or Xbox Store for the most up-to-date information about platform availability. This is crucial while the game might not be out on all consoles at the same time. Alright, assuming it's available, head over to the PlayStation Store on your PlayStation console. You can find this in the main menu. Use the search function usually a magnifying glass icon and type in Marvel Rivals. If you are on the Xbox, go to the Xbox Store to find Marvel Rivals. You can find this in the main menu. Use the search function usually a magnifying glass icon and type in Marvel Rivals. Once you find Marvel Rivals in the store, select the game. You'll be taken to the game's page where you'll see details, trailers, and most importantly, the option to purchase and download. Click the download button. Depending on your internet speed and the game's size, this might take a little while. So, grab a snack, stretch your legs, and let it do its thing. Make sure you have enough storage available to download the game. Once the download is complete, Marvel Rivals will be installed on your console. You should find its icon on your home screen or in your game's library. Select the icon, and bam, you're in. Now, prepare to assemble your team, master your abilities, and battle it out in the Marvel Universe with your friends and other players worldwide. Have fun.